Hi everyone. Health Canada has mandated an end to both sweeping and dust mopping in commercial public facilities. NaceCare has a solution to replace those devices for cleaning, which will yield substantial productivity and provide ultimately a better cleaning result in terms of both hard floor and carpet. You'll see two 15-inch tools. One for bare floor and a second for carpet. We're going to show you the highest productivity option first, which is our battery BacPac. You'll note that it has an extended, longer version wand than you would typically see on a vacuum utilizing a regular floor tool, and it's fully adjustable. What is key here is the technique. One thing you'll notice from the previous picture on both tools is a swivel, which allows the operator to keep the tool, whether it's for hard floor or carpet, flush to the surface, producing optimum soil recovery, ease of movement, and a great result. In terms of your COVID cleaning options, we have switched up a couple of things. We're moving to a carpet tool and also to a battery canister and away from the battery BacPac. This is also a very, very high productivity option, and we feel it's important for you to understand the swivel on the tool, which enables you to use the proper technique going side to side. You'll see how this differs from traditional floor tools where you're pushing forward and back. Very important to understand this is a side-to-side motion. You'll see a quick change which enables you to properly jump into above floor cleaning using a dusting brush. The stainless wand is extendable, so you can shorten it for the operator's comfortable cleaning position.